I hope you enjoy the video and please like and subscribe. It would do a lot to us.
And then you got to stay here and we'll be finished.